Have mold in your house? Do you ever find it?
No, but I know people who have.
It's bad. Well, we've been reporting on it in schools, college dorm rooms, your homes, and a lot of you went to Annapolis today to support a bill that would set the standard in mold testing all across the state.
But it comes with a hefty price tag. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs explains. Abby?
The bill would protect renters, students, and the elderly from the harmful impacts of mold. But the financial burden falls on local health departments, school systems, landlords, and the Maryland Department of Health, which estimates this bill would impact 500,000 properties across the state.
It took a while for us to realize what was making us sick, but it was our home.
And more specifically, the mold Heaven White found in her Annapolis apartment.
I did miss days from work because my son had to stay home from school because he was having asthma attacks.
Right now, there's no statewide standard for mold testing or remediation, and therefore no protections for renters like White who experience it.
We see these patients every day in the emergency room with respiratory distress and asthma exacerbations related to this.
A bill sponsored by Delegate Shanika Henson would fix that by requiring local jurisdictions to conduct annual mold inspections for public and private schools, licensed child care centers, nursing homes, and rental properties.
This mold, these spots, this past inspection recently in the city of Annapolis.
It would also set a standard for remediation.
It is a consumer rights issue to make sure that when someone says they are going to remediate mold in your home, that you get the service that you pay for and that it is quality service.
But the bill comes with a hefty price tag. The Maryland Department of the Environment estimates an annual expense increase of $2 million to hire more employees to enforce the bill and develop the needed processes for inspection and verification. In written testimony, MDE said it was concerned with the substantial impact. The Department of Legislative Services also estimates a significant increase in spending for local jurisdictions and a negative impact on landlords. Advocates say the cost of not doing anything could end up being more.
If we continue to abandon our infrastructure and not remediate mold properly, it won't go away. It simply will have the cost added in other areas in our state.
The House Environment and Transportation Committee is supposed to have a hearing on this bill today. Their hearing right now is going on very late, so they're still moving through the agenda. They haven't reached this bill, but we have a link on our website to the live stream if you want to catch it later this evening.